Ladies and gentlemen, sorry for that brief cut right there. The camera, we took a picture and stuff, and a lot happened. But you didn't miss anything really that important. We're just taking a picture, and that's it. Well, we're here at... What aisle is this? Ma, what aisle is this? Huh? We're at aisle 20. We're at aisle... Yeah. We're at aisle 20, and we're trying to pick this thing. The Sultan Habib thing. Is that it?
102-19630.
Dad, what happened, Kuya?
Wow! Look at all those things we're gonna buy.
22 naman.
22.
Kuya, hold here.
64.
No, I'm gonna stay in the cart. No!
Ano, mabigat?
This is absolute
Pa
madness!
lang yan, ah.
Hindi kasi spring eh. Bigat kasi pala. Asan yung isa?
Wait, where's aisle 21?
22.
Aisle 22 here!
Yeah.
Aisle 22! Papa, here! Aisle 22. Yeah, here! I was saying that!
5 and 30. Isa yung 5. 30. Ito 30.
30?
5 and 30.
302-723.
302-723. Here. Point for the 4. Shoot. Shoot. Yeah, I think that's it. Shoot. Look at this guy. Look at that. Oh, can't believe it. This is it. All of it. Not it. It's not. It's not that. Not all of it. Wait, I think we're gonna need another cart. No.
Wait. Dito pa
Okay.
wala. 33.
33.
Here.
What's the number?
Kuya, hold my hand.
60.
601-602-72.
Here, Papa.
Down.
This thing. No boy. No Roy.
Hold my hand.
Okay, I'm holding my hands. No, Sophia. Don't let me go.
Okay, don't let me go. Okay. Let's be.
No. Help me.
Step over there, okay?
Ayun na, yun sa 33 na to yun.
No, step over there. And hold my hand.
5.
Hold my hand.
Oo, 5 na tayo.
Now step over there. Kuya.
Ow.
Step over there.
Oh.
Okay, you.
Guys, later out. So, Sophia. Let go of me.
Okay, go. Go right. Come on.
Look at all these people. They're trying to get what they can, or what this has to offer. Look at it. It's amazing. It's extraordinary. I know I've seen one of these before. Maybe you did, but this is actually extraordinary for me. The camera almost fell off my hand. Look at all these beauty.
Tama?
Beautiful. I'm gonna ride like this. Guys, I'm gonna ride like
Ano yung mga
this.
double check lang
Like
natin?
this.
601-602-17 yung isa. Baka kasi hindi magsapin.
Yeah.
Kuya. Where? Kuya.
Kuya, yes. Kuya is brother in our language, okay? Okay. Understand? Kuya is our...
Step it over there.
Kuya means brother in our language, okay?
Step over there. And the elephant thing.
Mas ka na dyan, Gerard.
Sophia, no!
Hindi na pwede ito. Hindi na siya. Mubo ka.
Sophia, you just right.
Kaya sit down, mahuhulog.
No, Sophia, no. Bumaba na lang siya.
You want to
Bumaba means get down. Get to the chopper. Just kidding. That was a horrible Arnold impression. That's not even an impression of Arnold. That's just... Sorry for all the kids that are gonna have nightmares today.
64.
What are
30.
all the
Last
things
two.
I
Wala
do?
na.
It's so weird.
Okay, cool.
You okay?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Gerard, help me. You hold the other side.
You do the chopper. Woo! The 360 though.
Wait, what aisle?
Isang ay lang 64.
64? That's a lot of eyes. Like, as is aisles 34, 51, 69. No, not yet. Over there. Look at this long corridor. Yep, it's corridor. Very long one. It's not a hall. Gotta help my dad carry this massive thing. It is absolutely.
Picture mo, may picture, hindi video. Wala.
Wait. 3, 2, 1. I can't do it. I'm moving. Sorry about that brief interruption, too. We're just basically traveling. I have nothing to say. I'm speechless for all these things. 64. Over there. We're going to aisle 64, guys. Aisle 64. I don't know if... No, it's not, because there's still... No, 69 over there. I think 69 is the like... 64... 64.
902, 801.
902.
902, 801.
Here. This one. Okay, that's not very long. Is it the right thing?
902, 801, 00.
It's Meltop. Oh, Meltorp. My brain. What's up?
Ilang items na?
One I want?
Frame lang ba to?
Oo. 30 plus.
Hahanapin pa pala natin yung isa.
Dollars.
8, nasa 8.
Eight na. Wait, what number? This?
902, 896. Ayun, sa baba. Asan? Ayun. Ayun, please.
96. 822, 896.
902 896. Mama?
902,
902, 800.
896.
That is thin.
Diyan pala yan.
What?
Hindi kaya si Ryan, bakit nilagay dyan?
Hindi naman.
Is that glass? Oh, that's wood.
White yun eh, no?
Oh, that hurts.
Last na lang, 30.
But my hands got stuck. There's gonna be a brief cut over here, so prepare for that. I'll see you in the next